This is Nancy who fixed this house, and this is the bathroom. Don and I are working on installing the tile. He's having a little coffee break. How's the coffee?
Merry Christmas, everyone.
It's June. Anyway, so here's our tile. We got this stuff from Home Depot. We chose it because it was very economical. It was only 49 cents a square foot. And we decided to spend the money we were saving on a pretty glass accent tile. And it looks like I don't have any around here. Do you have any in here? So we'll talk about what happened with this tile here that we stuck on. We have a base. What is this thing, Don? How did you come up with this? This is a piece of wood.
It's a piece of wood, and I measured 9 inches from the bottom. So after this top's dry, we'll take that support bar out, and then we'll just have to paste in our bottom row at 9 inches.
And that keeps these tiles all nice and sturdy and in place instead of having them lean down onto the tub, right? So then when we got to this section here, we tried using the regular thin set to put the glass tiles on, and they weren't sticking. So I'm gonna go grab that. You can keep talking, do some filler talk, okay?
They weren't sticking, and it was hard for that glass, tight mesh to support the weight of the next row. So it's sort of.
So within the hour, we peeled them off,
Wasn't
and
working.
then here's what it's supposed to look like this. Okay, so we got a gap in there for putting these on. And I just washed these to wash all of the mortar off. I got almost 100% off. I mostly just bent them back and found little chunks and rinsed it underwater to get them out. And they have some kind of adhesive that comes pre-mixed that's for glass tile, and I'm gonna go pick some of that up so that we can put these in. But when we do the next side, we're just gonna leave a gap there, right?
Yeah, so we'll do that wall there. We did the back wall, except for the lower section.
And what's the red stuff?
And then we'll do what's the waterproofing paint membrane.
By red guard, right? All right.
So there's we're gonna put the stuff on the back wall here. I've already prepared the tiles that will go over the valve. And I cut them out using a type of hole saw that I got at Harbor Freight Tools.
You want to demo it or do you want to bring one?
Well, it's okay, I put it away already. I would have liked to make those holes just a little bit smaller, but this was the second size, and the one smaller than that would have been too small. And I feel like this one's just a little too big. But, well,
Looks good.
I mean, the faucet will cover all that. You won't see that hole, and we'll fill it in with mortar or grout too but I would have liked to have made it just a little bit smaller.
Looking good. And then we have white grout to fill in the holes, the grout lines, obviously. All right, anything else?
I gotta get back to my coffee.
There's the overview of what we're working on. And thanks for watching.